Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to create a GoFundMe campaign that effectively gathers support for your cause. Whether it's for personal needs, medical bills, community projects, or anything else, setting up a successful GoFundMe can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up or log in. First, visit the GoFundMe website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you'll need to sign up. Providing your name, email address, and creating a password will get you started. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Start your campaign. Once you're logged in, click on Start a GoFundMe. You will be prompted to select your campaign goal. Think about how much money you ideally need to raise. Try to set a realistic target that reflects your needs. Step 3. Choose a title craft. A title for your campaign. Keep it concise but compelling. A strong title grabs attention and encourages potential donors to read more about your cause. Step 4. Write a story. This is one of the most crucial parts of your campaign. Write a heartfelt story explaining why you are raising funds. Share personal experiences, challenges, and the impact of the contributions. Be sincere and straightforward, as transparency fosters trust with potential donors. Step 5. Add photos and videos. Include images or videos that resonate with your campaign. Visuals can evoke emotions, making it easier for people to connect with your story. Ensure that any media you add enhances your narrative and presents your situation authentically. Step 6. Set up your campaign. Fill out the necessary information, including your campaign goal, location, and category. Make sure to choose the category that best fits your cause to help potential donors find your campaign more easily. Step 7. Share your campaign. After setting everything up, it's time to spread the word. Share your GoFundMe campaign via social media, email, and any other platforms you use. Encourage friends and family to share your campaign as well, increasing your reach and potential support. Step 8. Keep your donors updated. Once your campaign is live, keep your backers updated on your progress. Share updates on your situation or any developments related to your cause. Being transparent about how the donations will be used can encourage more contributions and show appreciation for the support you're receiving. Step 9. Thank your donors. Express your gratitude. Acknowledge your donors through thank you notes or personal messages. A simple gesture of appreciation can go a long way in building a supportive community around your cause. Step 10. Withdraw the funds. As donations start flowing in, you'll want to know how to access the funds. GoFundMe allows you to withdraw money directly to your bank account. Make sure your banking information is accurate to avoid any delays. Creating a GoFundMe campaign can be a powerful way to rally support for your needs or causes. By sharing your story and being proactive in promoting your campaign, you can connect with others and make a real difference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.